teach you how to do 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication using the standard algorithm method. Before we begin, don't forget, you can't just watch me, Miss Math, do it. In order to be a math master, you have to follow along with your paper and your pencil. And if Miss Math is going way too fast, don't be afraid to press the pause button. And when you're ready, press play. And most importantly, don't you forget, you got this. Let's begin by writing down the problem. 24 times 58. When I look at this problem, I notice that 24 has 2 digits, 1, 2. And 58 has 2 digits, 1, 2. That's what makes this a 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication problem. Step 1, we have to line up the numbers vertically. When you're doing the standard algorithm method, that means the numbers are going to be lined up vertically according to their place value. Let's line up these numbers according to their place value. 24 will go on top and 58 will go underneath. I'm going to add my multiplication symbol. When you look at this, you see that the 4 and the 8 are both in the ones place and the 2 and the 5 are both in the tens place. Step 1 is complete because we lined up our numbers vertically. Now for step 2, we are going to multiply 24 times 8. We are going to act like we do not see this 5. We will deal with him later. We're going to focus on 24 times 8. Let's skip count by 8 4 times. 8, 16, 24, 32. I'm going to put a little 3 at the top, and I'm going to put a 2 underneath the 8. 8 times 4 is 32. My next step, 8 times 2. We know that 8 times 2 is 16, and I'm going to add 3. 16, 17, 18, 19. I'm going to put 19 underneath, and 24 times 8 is 192. Now for step 3. First, you're going to cross out any numbers that you added on the top when you multiply by the number in the ones place. After you do that, I need you to circle your new number that you're multiplying. We are now going to be multiplying by the number in the tens place, which is 5. I already multiplied 24 times 8. Now I'm going to multiply 24 times 5. That circle is going to remind me to put a placeholder 0 underneath the 2. Remember, circle your number, add a 0. Circle your number, add a 0. This 0 is called a placeholder. That placeholder lets me know that I am no longer multiplying by the ones place. I'm moving on to the digit in the tens place, which is 5. Now, we are ready to multiply 24 times 5. Remember, we're starting here. This is my placeholder. So the first number will go underneath the 9. Ready? 5 times 4 is 20. I will put a 2 at the top and a 0 under the 9. 5 times 2 is 10. I'm going to add 10 plus 2 and get 12. And I'm going to write 12 here. Don't forget your fancy comma. And now you are ready to add both of the products, 192 and 1,200, to get your final answer. 2 plus 0 is 2. 9 plus 0 is 9. 1 plus 2 is 3. Bring down your 1. Add your fancy comma. And we know that 24 times 58 is 1,392. Thank you, kids, for learning with Miss Math today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are still feeling stuck after watching my video, that is A-OK. Some topics take longer to fully understand, and you're in luck. Miss Math offers one-on-one tutoring, and your parent can book in the description box below. Or you can scan the QR code in 3, 2, 1.